loved the way Yuvraj led this team and also batted right till the end. He knew that this total is not that kind of total where you have to go really big. He kept his cool, batted for 22 deliveries and got 15, and at the end took the game to India.
Marvellous scenes here at Edgbaston. Huge crowd, and the boys in blue have got the job done for the India champions. Okay, great atmosphere. I'm feeling Nikhil Chopra's got a superstar alongside him.
Well, Harbhajan Singh with me, the Terminator. Harbhajan winning the finals of the WCL, but just talk me through the atmosphere once again here at Edgbaston.
Well, absolutely brilliant to be here, and winning this, especially against Pakistan, means a lot. So, Chak De India! You can hear them all. Chak De India!
The crowd has been supporting India champions as well as the Pakistan champions. But every time a wicket fell when you guys were bowling, the crowd has been phenomenal. A word for them.
Well, obviously, special thanks to everyone, whoever is here, whether from India, from Pakistan, from any country. They came here to support the game. Beautiful, and obviously we played better today than Pakistan. Respect to their team. They were a brilliant team. But we played better today, and we ended up winning the cup, so which is great.
Well, we came here on the 2nd of July. We've had 11 days, Baju. And as the tournament has progressed, every single player has found form. It has been incredible seeing you guys compete. How have you felt competing once again?
Well, we came here without any practice because we were covering matches for the World Cup, and suddenly we had to come here and pull up our socks and play. But credit to all the boys. They worked hard on their game. They execute their plans the way they wanted to do. So it was a happy environment, and happy team is a winning team, and that's exactly what we did. And we peaked at the right time, I believe. Last game against Australia was probably the best game of the tournament. That's what you wanted to do, you know, as a team, peaking at the right time, and India certainly peaked at the right time.
Thank you, Baju. I believe Deep has got somebody. Deep, over to you.
Thank you, Nikhil. I've got Robin here with me. Robin, congratulations. How does it feel, mate?
Oh, fantastic. I think, we started the tournament pretty well, and then we lost steam in the middle of the tournament, and then some. But I think we came back and played to our potential in the last couple of games when it really mattered. That drubbing to Pakistan in the league stage obviously kind of bit us in the backside a little bit, and kind of blew the wind out of our sails for a couple of games. But I think that game against South Africa where we just managed to qualify, I think really hit our pride, and then we were like, okay, we got to turn this up, and really happy that we've turned up in the last couple of games and played true to our potential with bowling, batting and fielding.
I mean, you especially, from game one, you look like you're in touch, you're playing regular cricket. What's the secret behind you still look very, very fit indeed?
Well, I'm playing a lot of paddle tennis. I've been saying this a lot actually. It seems like I'm promoting paddle. But I've been playing a lot of paddle. It keeps me fit, keeps me going. I'm really enjoying the game. I retired obviously to play a lot more cricket outside of India, but unfortunately that hasn't happened, so I'm playing whatever's come my way. But I am available to play whoever needs me. Let me just put it out there.
Absolutely, why not? But listen, a tournament like this, you still have those competitive juices, right? And you can still play the game. What does a tournament like this do?
Well, I think it's fantastic, to be very honest. When you finish playing cricket, it's a little bit of a big drop for any athlete, for any cricketer. Financially, even relevance-wise, it's a big drop. You suddenly get away from the limelight completely. Your earning potential drops a lot. So tournaments like this actually is a boon for a lot of retired cricketers, because they still find a way to keep in touch with the game and still find a sense of relevance whilst playing the game. And it's a way that they can stay connected with what they're truly passionate about in their lives. So it's a fantastic opportunity to be able to do that. And to be honest, we've been here the last couple of weeks. Irfan, Raidu, Suresh, me, we've been really having a ball of a time. It's been absolutely fantastic to be able to just be kids again when we're with each other. The whole, we say in Hindi, BC keeps going on. It's so much fun. Honestly, it's been one of the best tours as far as camaraderie is concerned for me in a very long time.
Well, congratulations again. Thanks for your time, Robin. Go well. And now it's over to you, Nikhil.
Thank you, Deep. If I can just quickly grab Ambati. I know you're waiting for your family, but just a few words. How have you enjoyed playing this tournament and, of course, getting a half century in the final against Pakistan?
No, I mean, it was fantastic. It's hard not playing cricket and coming and playing such a good tournament. And, especially there are a lot of guys who are playing active cricket. It's not an easy league. It was fantastic. So we had to up our game because we have had, quite a few bad games, but still we had the mindset and the mental strength to really come out in these last two games and do well. And special, mention to Yuvipa. He has really kept the team positive and also, instilled that confidence that we needed. So it's all credit to the team management and Yuvipa and Bajupa. And also Irfan, Yusuf. I mean, the way they have played in this tournament, it's fantastic. And Robs, the way he's been opening. So I feel everybody, including even the Pakistan team, they have played really well in the tournament. It's hard always to lose in the finals, but no complaints. We are happy.
Close to 20,000 people at Edgbaston. Quick word, how have you really enjoyed the crowd support that you got?
It's been fantastic. I mean, both the teams have come out in numbers. I mean, the supporters have come out in numbers, and it's been fantastic. Special mention to all the Indian supporters with the flags. They have come even in the previous game, and they've supported India, and they've come back again. And also special mention to even Pakistani supporters who are here in numbers, and they have been fantastic. They are really warm, and Birmingham is a warm city, and it's fantastic to play here. And special mention to everybody who have enjoyed a good game of cricket.
Thank you so much, Ambati. Really well played. Let's head back to Deep with another special guest.
Thank you, Nikhil. We've got the main men behind this tournament here. And listen, a very big congratulations to all three of you to make this happen. Feelings first up.
Well, it's crazy. I mean, I don't have words for this. It's the perfect thing that we were manifesting, because India and Pakistan are two biggest, father of all rivalries. That's what they say. We were manifesting it, and there was a time when India was not supposed to even qualify. And see, here we are, full packed house. So thanks a lot to each and every one person from the WCL team, from the ITW, from the broadcasters, from the ECB, who has put so much work and effort for 1.5 years. And here we are. Thank you. Thanks a lot to everyone.
It's been an absolutely brilliant tournament, and from a production point of view, obviously it's not one of the easiest things to put together. And how was that whole job, and what's the first feeling that you have? Relieved or happy? I mean, come on, go on, tell us.
It's his dream that I've been living with him for 1.5 years now, and right from day one in putting all of this together. We started from a cafe just next to my house together in a small corner, and from that to an India-Pakistan final. Couldn't have asked for more, and as he said, we all manifested for best of it, and we got the best game, a last over finish in the final. Couldn't have asked for more. And you guys, I'm thankful to whole of the production team, be it ground, be it TV, and the broadcasters across the globe as well. Everyone came together to deliver something which is truly something that we are enjoying. Finally, it has been a relief and then a bit of satisfaction is what I would say. And we are still not 100% satisfied because we are coming back next year even bigger, even better.
Yeah, keeping my fingers crossed, looking forward to it. And obviously no sporting tournament or nothing is complete without the patrons. And thank you so much from the whole team. I'm part of the team, I'm including myself. And what was your takeaway from this tournament?
So I'm still getting the goosebumps, and it's a dream which Harshita saw, which is fulfilled by the help of all the team members, including the ITW, production team, and everybody. Thank you very much. It's been I feel blessed to be over here. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you to all three of you and the whole team for making this happen. And now it's over to Nikhil again.
Thank you, Dev. I've got Suresh Raina, Gurkirat Man, the man of the moment. How have you felt competing in front of 20,000 people, Suresh?
It's been amazing. I think special credit to the organization. I think playing in UK has always been special for us. I think we have won Champions Trophy in this ground 2013. Again, we have won it with the...
It was on the same day today.
Absolutely. And having played with the legend of the game, I think it's been amazing.
Gurkirat, how have you enjoyed the tournament and the competitiveness? Because you've just retired close to about 6-8 months ago. How have you enjoyed this tournament?
I think I love playing here, and the atmosphere is amazing. And even the level of cricket, I think it's been amazing here. And playing with Paji, it's a pleasure.
Sunday Paji he played really well. I think UV led the team really well. And Pathan's brother, I think they've been amazing. Look at Harbhajan Singh, age of 39, 40, he's been bowling really well. I think special mention to the crowd. They've been coming here every game whenever we played against Pakistan. Pakistan played really, really well. At the same time, Australia, West Indies. I think, as you said earlier, I think this is the day we have won Champions Trophy, and God has been really kind to us.
Thank you so much, Suresh. Thank you so much, Gurkirat. Back to you, Deep.
Thank you, Nikhil. I've got the Pathan brothers. One of them is kind of busy. If you can come over, Yusuf, Irfan is there. And we've got Junior Pathan as well. Yes, your dad's done it, your uncle's done it. Well, Irfan, a week ago, we were together in the comm box. And within a week, you're here winning games. What's going on?
But look, for today, you have to say that right to the way he played, outstanding the way we bowled, what was outstanding as well. The way the senior Pathan came in and the way he hit those crucial runs was very important. So yes, you know, when you're playing cricketer, being a cricketer as a part-time cricketer, right? When you play that role, it's tough. And because, you know, some of the players from Australia, some of the players in Pakistan, some play PSL, some play BBL. so when you have to compete against them, it's slightly tough. But, you know, credit to Yuvraj Singh as well, because Yuvraj assembled a team. And when he spoke to me, when he spoke to Bhai, when he spoke to each and every player, he told each and everyone what exactly needed to be done. And he said, I don't want your bowling, I want you to hit sixes, and this is your job. But today he gave me 3 overs.
Hitting sixes, absolutely yes. I mean, listen, 3 back-to-back 50s before this, then this crucial innings as well. Dude, you're looking as good as ever.
लगता तो था अच्छा बहुत, लेकिन टफ था और जो सिचुएशन था, जो डिमांड कर रहा था सिचुएशन, उस हिसाब से खेला और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है कि हम लोग फाइनल भी जीते। क्रूशल था जो साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ जो मैच था वो बहुत क्रूशल था, क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि अगर अच्छा खेले नहीं है हम लोग पूरा टूर्नामेंट, लेकिन जब हम सेमीफाइनल और फाइनल खेलेंगे तो इंडिया हमेशा बहुत अच्छा खेलता है। एज ए टीम हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा खेला, बैटिंग भी बहुत अच्छा किया सेमीफाइनल में, बॉलिंग अच्छा किया, यहाँ पर हम लोग फाइनल में भी ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा क्रिकेट खेले हम लोग। और यहाँ पे जो फैंस आए थे उनके लिए मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि इतने अच्छे नंबर्स में आए और उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया इंडिया को। पाकिस्तान टीम के सपोर्टर्स भी थे, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा कि जो फैंस है अपने जो लेजेंड क्रिकेटर है उनको देखने के लिए आए, उनको सपोर्ट किया। और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि हम लोग यहाँ पर जीते, तो बहुत खुशी है मुझे।
यूसुफ, इरफान, ये सवाल आप दोनों के लिए। काफ़ी टाइम होता है कि आपको आपके बच्चों ने खेलते हुए नहीं देखा है, वो सुना है सिर्फ टीवी में, कभी हाइलाइट्स देखा होगा। वो फीलिंग बताए कि फैमिली के साथ, बच्चों के साथ दोबारा आप लोगों को खेलते हुए देख रहे हैं।
You know, it's an absolutely beautiful question, because Deep, this is what we missed when we were playing for India. When my wife actually missed out a lot of my, you know, heydays. So she misses it. My kids, yesterday when I was playing against Australia, so he was there on the balcony and he said, Daddy, you took a wicket as well. You hit 4 sixes in a row. How did you do that? And I told him, because of your practice, you made me do practice. So for them, it's a very unique and memorable experience which will last forever. So it's a great feeling.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है क्योंकि देखिए फैमिलीज सेमीफाइनल से पहले जो 2 मैच थे, काफ़ी दूर मैच थे, 1-1 घंटा दूर ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, फैमिलीज वहाँ पर आ रही थी, बच्चे काफ़ी सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, स्टेडियम में आवाज़ आ रही थी उनकी कि इंडिया इंडिया, और जो भी फादर खेल रहे थे उनके नाम लेके चिल्ला रहे थे। और दोनों मैच हम लोग हारे थे, तो उनके लिए भी बुरा लग रहा था कि बहुत दूर आ रहे हैं और हम लोग को हारते हुए देख रहे हैं, तो ये अच्छी बात नहीं है। तो हम लोग ये भी बात कर रहे थे कि यार फैमिलीज़ के लिए, बच्चों के लिए, वो जो फैंस है उनके लिए हमको जीतना है और अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलेंगे, क्योंकि हमें सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और उनको हमेशा याद रहेगा ये जो टूर्नामेंट उन्होंने देखा, हमेशा याद रहेगा, क्योंकि काफ़ी कॉम्पिटिटिव क्रिकेट भी खेले हम लोग सारे, और बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर से भी वो बच्चे इंटरेक्ट किए, तो बहुत खुशी है उनके लिए भी।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपके लिए, आपके वक्त के लिए, एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस अगेन, गो वेल।
Thank you.
Thank you, Deep.
Congratulations, India champions. They have won the World Championship of Legends final here in Birmingham. 156 for 6, and India champions chasing it down with 5 balls to spare. India champions win by 5 wickets. Quick break, back with the post-match presentation.